So high, yeah. Oh, why do you realize? Say I know my rights. Oh God, police, oh God, police. You policeman, swagga me not. You policeman, swagga me not. You policeman, swagga me not.
Okay, why you wanna do that? Oh God, police, why you wanna swagger me? You see me smoking my dope, you wanna bother me. And take me down to the station, but can't stop the motivation. When I been speaking to the nation, I never lost the concentration. The truth can change the population, ain't got no bad intention. All you do is come up with a false accusation to lock me in a cell, but it's all good, it ain't hard to tell. I'ma keep it real, so you better chill. After bail, I'ma still light up my L and reminisce, cause life goes on. Poor, black crime, that's the reason why I write this song.
Tell me why I can't live my life so high, yeah. Oh, why do you realize? Say I know my rights. Oh God, police, oh God, police. You policeman, swagga me not. You policeman, swagga me not. You policeman, swagga me not. Swagga me not, yeah.
I beg, I'm on the playground, smoking and selling all the green grass. When I saw these folk men on black car, before I could know that they got me down. So mock me with the shoes, so blame me what they talk to. What did I do? All the sins of thanks number 2. From there, they drive me down the station. But remember after today, tomorrow I was to smoke my wonder. The real smokers never go to jail, so let the folk go to jail. What's the cartel? Let them go to jail or go to hell. But I found out some hell with my riot. I say, oh God, police, swagga me not.
Tell me why I can't live my life so high, yeah. Oh, why do you realize? Say I know my rights. Oh God, police, oh God, police. You policeman, swagga me not. You policeman, swagga me not. You policeman, swagga me not. Swagga me not.
I'm going in. Listen up, yeah. In case you forgot, now it's hello. Neither am I, it's hello. Sean Joe and me, you are all inferior. Police niggas can't cause they know I'm superior. I prefer a police and a consact the DBA. Well, I got my chin again. Me they did one know cause that bone with a unique material. And my mom's name is Victoria. Yeah, got that in mind that I'm gonna rain interior, stereo, in and out. And know you miss bacteria. If you're the bacteria, I got the vaccines and I'm gonna bury you. Yeah, I know my right, so it's mine. And you can't deprive me what's rightfully mine.
Tell me why I can't live my life so high, yeah. Oh, why do you realize? Say I know my rights. Oh God, police, oh God, police.